gikena na ndohio Kangema Kaunti-Ini ya Murang'a ya ayuthi na aria ni Njorua cia kothi tugana gukunguira nguthi cia ufundithania aria marikitie kuhuruka wira ayuthi acio riu makihaririria Ndea hamwe na Gutinia Keki ta njira ya gucokia ngatho kuri Arimu aciari Arimu ite wira matongoretio ni Beti Maina gikundi kio kiugite ni wega kuririkanaga aria maneka wega miturire-ini andu mbere yao mambitie guthinio ni mwiri niguo magakenerera wira wao mwega manaruta. Oho Beti akiuria Njorua ingi cia kothi guku bururi-ini kuririkanaga arimu ao aria mamacenjeirie miturire na githomo kiega kiria mamanengerire riria mari anini.
We want to be known for people who can contribute to the development of the village that they grew up in. And one of the initiatives is celebrating our retired teachers. Those teachers that taught us in this primary school. We are in the Kerure primary home ground. We are in the primary school. So we've come to celebrate the teachers. We realized we want to give our teachers their flowers when they are here with us. We want to celebrate them when they can understand what it is that we are telling them. My urge to the professionals who are in Nairobi, Mombasa and different parts of the world, please remember your retired teachers. Remember those teachers that taught you.
Nguthi cia ufundithania matongoretio ni Grace Wabui na uria wari mwarimu wa matinahota kuhitha gikeno kiao magicokia na kuririkana manakorwo makiruta na uthomithia amwe anake aria Nimatugite guku magikuruguira makiria ma miaka 20 kuma riria matigire wira. Oho Makiuga giko kiu ni kia mwanya kuona matire makorwo magicererwo kana gutugwo miaka-ini iyo 20 matakoretwo wira.
We have never seen a day like this where teachers are remembered. We thought we were forgotten, but today we are very happy. We are very happy and we can cry for that good day. So God help those who planned this plan. God help those who had this idea, and so we can congratulate for that 3 years as a teacher, and so I have seen the fruits of my working.
Njithi TV ni Njithi